First, I need a ESP32 C3. Next, draw a circle with a radius equal to the size of the ESP. Then, keep the compass set and mark 6 equally spaced points on the circle to form a hexagon. Prepare 1mm copper or brass wire. Bend it according to the shape you just drew. Solder the ESP onto the frame. Next, I need a 0.49-inch OLED display. Use glue to secure the display to the frame first. Then connect the modules using brass wire. The wiring diagram is included in the description. Next, a 55mm circular brass plate. Use an object with a concave surface like a small bowl or pan. I bent and soldered the wires into triangles to connect the satellite dish. I also added a few larger triangular wire pieces to decorate the back. We'll also need a 56 ohm resistor. And for indication, green, red, and yellow LED. The device's frame serves as the ground. Make a truss-style rod about 9 cm long. And one shorter segment about 3 cm long, plus a tube segment about 2.5 cm long. Add a small power switch. A square bamboo coaster is also used, along with a 2mm brass rod. Don't forget to prepare a battery charging board. Now I'll make 2 decorative antennas. Connect it to the computer and upload the code. I'll also include the device's code in the description. And that's it, the build is complete. Use your phone to connect to the Wi-Fi network broadcast by the clock to set it up. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password to synchronize the time and time zone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.